Here at Denningsdown, we have seen how powerful learning outside the classroom can be. Most of our school visits are fully funded, and our visitors often tell us that they learn best from hands-on experiences on the farm. That's why we love inviting schools and other community groups here to bring the curriculum to life, whatever the subject. We're huge advocates of the wider well-being benefits from being outdoors, and have had the immense privilege of seeing young people's confidence blossom. We enjoy talking about life cycles, soil science, sustainable food, and seasonal change. We hear that sowing, growing, harvesting, and then cooking produce from their pumpkin patch is a real highlight for many young visitors. And we'd love working with you to build a session or sessions that fit your ideas. From archery and beekeeping to teamwork, wildflower and biodiversity surveys and wool crafts, our Education Ranger will help you plan activities, then support or lead them throughout your visit to the farm. As well as helping the farmer for the day, we can bring the farm to you. Your visit can be enriched with sessions in school such as chick hatching, sheep visits, our film of the farm through the seasons, or a chat with a beekeeper or farmer to help bring the excitement before you even arrive. We've recently added a dedicated indoor space, so we're delighted to be able to welcome you in all weathers, for all subjects, all year round. Whatever your focus, science, geography, PSHE or art, we can't wait to help bring your classes to life with hands-on learning. Our new building is accessible for all, including a wheelchair-accessible compost toilet. The first step is a no-cost pre-visit. Come and walk the land, talk through ideas, and let the farm spark inspiration for your next exciting lesson.